Have you ever opened your fridge and found your avocados turning brown again? It feels like they ripen overnight, and then it's too late. But what if you could keep them fresh and ready for smoothies anytime you want? Yes, you can freeze avocados for smoothies. But here's the secret. It depends on how you freeze them. If you just toss them in the freezer, they'll turn mushy and dark. But with the right steps, you'll keep their smooth, creamy texture, perfect for your morning smoothie. Freezing avocados is a smart habit for anyone who loves smoothies or meal prep. It saves time and helps you avoid food waste, especially when avocados ripen too fast. You can buy them in bulk, freeze a few, and enjoy fresh flavor anytime. Frozen avocado also gives smoothies a soft, creamy texture without needing ice or milk. It's an easy way to eat healthy, reduce waste, and make your mornings simpler. Before freezing, you need to prepare your avocados the right way. Start by choosing ripe but firm ones, not too soft, not too hard. When you gently press the skin, it should give a little but not sink in. Next, wash them under cool water to remove any dirt or bacteria. Cut each avocado in half and twist to separate the two sides. Use a spoon or a knife to carefully remove the pit. Then scoop out the flesh and cut it into small, even chunks. If you prefer, you can also mash them for later smoothie portions. To keep the bright green color, drizzle lemon or lime juice over the pieces. Citrus helps stop oxidation, the natural process that turns avocados brown. Mix gently so that every piece gets coated with juice. Now, your avocados are clean, protected, and ready to freeze. Simple, fresh, and perfectly prepared for your next smoothie session. Now that your avocados are ready, let's freeze them the smart way. Start by lining a small tray with parchment paper. Spread the avocado chunks in a single layer so they don't touch each other. This helps them freeze evenly and prevents them from sticking together. Place the tray flat inside your freezer and leave it there for about 2 hours, until the pieces are firm. Once they're frozen, take them out and transfer the cubes into a freezer-safe bag or container. Press out as much air as you can before sealing. Air causes freezer burn and changes the flavor. Finally, label the bag with the date, so you'll remember how fresh they are. Your avocados are now perfectly frozen, ready to use whenever you want a quick smoothie boost. When you're ready to use your avocados, there's no need to thaw them. Simply take a few frozen cubes straight from the freezer and drop them into your blender. They'll blend perfectly and give your smoothie a creamy, chilled texture. No ice needed. This method saves time and keeps your smoothies fresh and thick. You can combine avocado cubes with bananas, spinach, or berries for a delicious, nutrient-rich mix. Add a splash of milk, water, or plant-based milk to get your favorite consistency. In just 1 minute, your smoothie is ready. Cool, healthy, and full of energy. Freezing avocados turns your morning rush into a calm, simple routine. Let's take a quick recap. Cut, freeze, and blend. That's all you need to enjoy perfect avocado smoothies anytime. Freezing them keeps their flavor, color, and smooth texture ready for when you need a boost. You can prepare a week's worth in just a few minutes and save time every morning. Here's a bonus tip. Mash your avocado and freeze it in silicone molds. Once frozen, pop the cubes into a bag. They're perfect single portions for smoothies or toast. It's easy, space-saving, and keeps your avocados fresh for up to 3 months. With this simple trick, you'll never waste another avocado again. Now you know how to freeze avocados the right way. Simple steps that save time, reduce waste, and keep your smoothies fresh every day. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to Freezelle for more calm and smart freezing tips. Every week, we share easy ways to keep your food fresh and your kitchen peaceful. Thank you for watching. And remember, freshness starts with one small habit.